classes student, and yes, today we are going to start our chapter 5, which one is new for you, and this is one the assessment 2 second chapter, division. Division and multiplication having the relation of brother and sister. If you just opposite it and inverse it, the relation will be the same. Okay, the multiplication will be the multiplication, and yes, the division will be the division, but the position will change only. Just similar into the division method. In the division method, what we learn? We learn the tables as the multiplication, but there is changes which is changing the places. So today we will learn, okay, what is division, how we divide it. Okay, in your book, multiplication and division are inverse operation. For every multiplication we have two division facts. As two division facts, which means multiplication and division having two factors, which means two digits are compulsory. It's just like 3 4s are 12, right? And in the division we have to divide the 4 by 2, right, or 12, and the answer will come, that will be product, okay, as multiplication, but in division the product known as quotient, right? So let's take a look, and today we are going to learn a new thing, so please keep your eyes on it so you can carefully learn this division method. And yes, again I'm repeating in every video that please, if you have any query regarding your chapters, okay, you having any problem in your questions, please share with your teacher. Your teacher will solve your problems, okay, by giving one more video with the more clear explanation. So let's start with this chapter. Okay, now chapter 5, division. We can see here 4 3s are 12 in our multiplication, in our previous chapter we have done. Okay, in our previous chapter in the multiplication, this one is also factor, this one is also factor, but the answer will come to us that is product, right? As I have given a lesson to you that this is multiplicand and multiplier, and the answer will be the product, but this will change into the division, right? How? I will show you. In the product, right, in this product will come to dividend, which means we have to divide digit, which we have to divide, just like 12. 12, okay, we have dividend. When we have dividend, the dividend will be here, and yes, the divisor which we have to divisor, right, 4, we have to divide 4 by 12, and the answer will become, that is quotient, right? This is quotient. So the place of dividend and quotient changed, right? Come to another example. Okay, when we have a multiplication, we write like this: 3 multiply 4 equal to 12, right? But when we come to this side, in the division, we can see we written product here, which means the product given here, the multiplicand will be here, and the multiplier be here. So you can easily see when we having 4 outside, 12 inside, so we have to go to 4 table where the 12 come, right? 4 3s are 12. So 4 will be here, 3 will be here, and 2 will be here, right? So simple. They have a relation between them, right? 4 3s are 12. In this way, we have solved it. Now one more example, right? Like, okay, I will take here 56, okay? 8 will be here. Now we have to see on the table of 8, which means from which factor we have to multiply, right? So in the table we will count from 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48 and 8 7 are 56. So this one is come to us, 8 is here and 7 will go to as quotient, right? And 56 will be cut. In this way we had solved our divide, right? So this one known as divisor, right? This is known as divisor. This one is dividend, which we have to divide it. Okay, this one is quotient, right? Our answer. So hope you will all understand this kind of systematic order as we compare the multiplication and division, right? In the multiplication we find product, but in the division we find quotient, right? So this one is just opposite, but they having same value because they having same table. If we are having 7 8s are 56 as in the divide, we having dividend, which means 56, and we have to divide it divisor, which means 7 or 8, and we have to follow the quotient. Okay, if I will take here 8, which means 7, right? And on the 7, where the 56 come? On the 8, 7 8s are 56, right? So I will be taking up 7. So it's become just a change of place, but I have given example of table. So how do we have to multiply it? How do we have to go through with the tables? So in this chapter we have to learn the tables. Hope you all got it, right? Please learn your tables. This is very important for you if you want to do the multiplication, if you want to do the division. So you have to remember the multiplication important thing, which is tables, right? Okay. So we will do some exercise 5A. Today we will do exercise 5A. So let's do that. Okay. As we having in your book, there is systematic thing is given to you and you have to change into the multiplication. The statement is check your answers by multiplication facts, right? That means we having a division facts and we have to change into multiple facts, right? Let's do it. As we having 27 divided 9 and equal to 3, which is means we having our quotient. Now we have to change it. What we will do? We will just take this one. 3 9s are 27. Okay, all you can do, 9 3s are 27, right? In this way we have changed this one into the multiplication facts, right? Into the multiplication fact. Let's do the other one also. Okay, so the other one is okay, we will take 48 divided 6 8. Now this one we have to change it. So how we will change it? Just like it, right? We can take a one example in it. Okay, so I will take like 6 8s are or 8 6 are, whatever I can take. 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 42, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. So we will multiply 6 8s are 48. In this way we find our multiplication fact, right? So this one is the term how we have to having our divide sum, and from this division we have to find the multiple fact, right? So let's firstly let's discuss the definition. because I have something given example that how they relate to each other, but the divide having a special definition. When we multiply two numbers, when we get the product, this product can be divided on its factors, right? So when we found, right, the way we finding how many times a number is contained in the other number, that is called divide, right? It's just like a multiplication to convert the things into the quick addition, right? Okay, it's a quick method of multiplication. Okay, so we have done the first, right? First check your answer by multiple fact. Now we will find our dividend, divisor and quotient, right? In our book, what we have, okay, I'm going faster. Okay, let's do this. Okay, firstly I will find the dividend. Dividend means the which digit we have to divide. Okay, I will show you from the example. Like 4 will be here, 12 will be here, 3 will be here. This one is divided, right? This one is divided, this one is divisor and this one is quotient, right? So we have to find this one in our this upcoming find the dividend. Like box is given to us, then divide, sign, 9 and quotient given to us. Okay, so on the 9 table, right, it is sorry, there is 8. I have written wrong. Okay, so here is 8. So 9 8s are 72. Or you can multiply 8 9s are 72. Right? So now come to next one. We having this one, okay, and division sign, okay, and then having 6 and equal to 7. So you can see here 6 7s are 42. So in this way we done our divided, find the dividend and the multiplication fact. So in the exercise 5a, what we have to do, we have to find the multiplication facts, and yes, by the dividend, by the divisor of quotient, we have to find the dividend. How we will find? By the multiplying. Like here is 9 and 8 is given to us, and yes, when we multiply it, 9 8s are, that will be 72, and when we having 7 6 are 42. As an example, if 16 and 4 is given to us, then 16 4s are, and yes, when we come to 7 and 9 given to us, 7 9s are. So in this way you will find your answer, but you have to find yourself the other sums, so you can do by yourself. Students, there is running sum also which is given to us. How many seconds are in 32 minutes, right? In 1 second, in the 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So when we multiply the 60 seconds with the 32, we will get 1922. By multiplying it, we will get the 32 minutes second data, right? How much is in the 32 minutes we have, right? So we can see who has more legs. Spider 3, 7 people and 4 dogs, right? 3 spiders and 7 people and 4 dogs. So you can calculate it yourself, who has more legs, right? If there are 7 people, they having 2, and yes, if there is spider, how many spider having how many legs? So you have to know about your know by yourself. Explore yourself and do these kind of sums at your home, so you can explore your mind into different directions. You can think a different level of your life, right? So these sums are very quickie, and yes, these all are running sums which are important for us for the overall development, right? And yes, in the next video we will discuss about the long division methods and short division method. We will discuss in our next video. thank you.